Okay, there we go. Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining me in our meeting for today in our Microsoft Teams. Now, just to confirm and just to let everybody know, I have in this meet is Miss Lydia or Jin Wang and also Miss Yao Li. Now, just to make sure that you can hear me and you can see me, is my audio and my video clear and audible at your end?
Yes, po, sir.
How
Yes,
about
po,
in your end?
sir.
Okay, thank you, Miss Yao. How about the PowerPoint presentation? Is it visible on your end?
Yes, po, sir.
Yes, po.
Okay, thank you. We shall now proceed. So as you can see on your screen, there is a direction. Please identify the different pictures on the screen. These are pictures of persons and their corresponding workplaces. So students, what you're going to do is that you will tell me what pictures you see on each of the slide. These are set of pictures of persons and their corresponding workplaces. Again, it's a set of pictures of persons and their corresponding workplaces. I will call on you for you to answer. Again, I will call on you for you to answer. So let us begin with the first set. Miss Lydia, can you tell us, or can you identify the pictures on the slide?
There's a man in the library, sir.
Yes, you are correct. It is a man and a library. Thank you, Miss Lydia. Now about you, Miss Yao, can you please tell us and identify the two pictures on the slide?
It's a woman and office, sir.
Yes, you are correct, Miss Yao. It is a woman and an office. Now let's proceed with the third slide. But can you please tell us, Miss Lydia, the pictures on the slide?
There's a woman too, sir, and a school, I think.
Yes, you are correct. It is a woman and also a school, which you can see it is a classroom in a typical face-to-face setup. So thank you for that. Now, for you again, Miss Yao, please identify the pictures on the slide.
It's a picture of the doctor and the St. Luke's Medical Centers.
Yes, you are correct, Miss Yao. I'm glad you caught that. So it is a picture of a doctor in uniform and St. Luke's Medical Center, which is a hospital, as you can see on the name of the building. So thank you for that, Miss Yao. Now let's proceed with another one. For you, Miss Lydia, please tell me the pictures on the slide.
There's a tour guide, sir, and the famous site in Roma, the Colosseum.
Yes, you are correct, Miss Lydia. It is a picture of a tour guide. As you can see, a woman holding a flag, which means she is leading the people behind her, and also the picture of a famous site in Rome, which is the Colosseum. Thank you for that, Miss Lydia. How about you, Miss Yao, for the last set of pictures? Can you tell us what's on the slide?
It's a pilot and the Noy Aquino International Airport, sir.
Yes, you are correct. So it is indeed a picture of a pilot in uniform also, and the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, or most commonly known as NAIA. So it is an airport. So that's all for the set of pictures. Now, what you're going to do is that at first I will divide these set of pictures between the two of you, and then you will have to construct sentences that describe or talks about the person and their corresponding workplace. Did you get that?
Yes, po.
Okay. So again, you will have to create sentences that describes the person to their corresponding workplace. So I will divide them now. So first, the first three sets of the pictures will be given to Lydia. So it includes man in library, woman in office, woman in school. Did you get that, Miss Lydia?
Yes, po, sir.
Thank you for responding. And now for you, Miss Yao, the last three sets of pictures will be given to you. Doctor and St. Luke's Medical Center, Tour Guide and Coliseum, Pilot and Nina Aquino International Airport includes those. So did you get that, Miss Yao?
Yes, po.
So again, to reiterate, you will have to create sentences that describes or talks about the set of person to their corresponding workplace. with their corresponding workplace. So please use he or she for those person not wearing uniforms. Did you get that? Use he or she for those persons not wearing uniforms, and use the actual job name or job title for those wearing uniform. Did you get that, people?
Yes, po.
Yes po, sir.
Okay, thank you. So for example, just to be clear with you, for example, cashier and Robinson's Mall. So the cashier works at the Robinson's Mall. Did you get that, guys?
Yes, po.
Okay.
Yes po, sir.
Okay, thank you for that. Now I am sure, now that we are sure that you know what to do, I will give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes to accomplish this task. You may turn off your camera if you need to, and I will just call your attention once the time is over. Okay, is that okay with you guys?
Yes, po.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you for acknowledging my question. So you may now proceed with the task. I will just call on for your attention once again if we are going to proceed with the discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. You may now turn on your cameras and your microphone for us to continue our discussion. Okay. Hello. Can you see the word file on your screen now, everybody?
Yes,
Okay. Let's proceed then. Okay. So now that you have answered or constructed your sentences, let us hear from you. Let us hear from you. Let us hear your answers. I will encode your answers on the file that you see on your screen. So let us proceed with the discussion. Now, Miss Lydia, you will go first. Tell me your answers for your set. First with the man and library set.
My answer is he works at a library, sir.
He works at. Oh wait, let me just delete that. Okay, at a library. How about for the second set, which is the woman and office set? Miss Lydia,
She, she works at an office. That's my answer, sir.
she works at an office. Right? For the last set of yours, which is woman and school, Miss Lydia, please tell us your answer.
She works at a school, sir.
Okay, she works at a school. Okay, thank you, Miss Lydia, for your answers. Now let's proceed with hearing your answers, Miss Yao. Let us hear from you for your first set, which is Doctor and St. Luke's Medical Center. What is your answer, Miss Yao?
sir, the doctor works at the St. Luke's mental centers.
The doctor works at the St. Luke's Medical Center. So that is your answer. The doctor works at. Move on with Now,
Um, the second, the tutor guide work at the Colosseum.
the tour guide works at the Coliseum. Coliseum. Thank you, Miss Yao. And finally, for your last set, which is Pilot and Nina Aquino International Airport or NAIA, please share us your answer.
The pilot works at the Noah Aquino International Airport, sir.
Thank you, Miss Yao, for answering. Works at the. Let's just copy this one. Copy. Oh, wait. Copy. There we go. And then we're just going to paste this one. Oh, there we go. Airport. Oh, the pilot works at the Nina Aquino International Airport. So thank you for giving us your answers. Now, let us continue with the discussion. For this part, I will be asking you questions. Let us proceed first with Miss Lydia. Okay, Miss Lydia, please place your attention, everybody as well. Please place your attention on the highlighted words. Can you please read the highlighted word, Miss Lydia?
So, sir. The first line is a, the second line is an, the third line is a.
Yes, you are correct. So, Miss Lydia, here's my question for you. What does wait, wait, let me just ask. Okay, let me just okay, does this word, these words, okay, A, and A, tell us about the most actual and exact workplace of that person?
No, sir, it does not.
Yeah. Okay. And then Miss Lydia, okay. With that your answer, what then does this word tell us about the workplace of that person or this
It
person?
says,
Okay,
yes,
proceed.
sir. It says that the person works in a random like library, and we do not know what exactly library that is.
Is it in general or specific terms, Miss Lydia?
It's stated in general terms, sir.
Okay, thank you, Miss Lydia, for answering. Now, for you, Miss Yao, and for everybody as well, please focus your attention on on these highlighted words. Now, Miss Yao, can you first read the highlighted words that you see on the screen?
The
Yes, you are. Okay, the highlighted words are the. So let's proceed with my questions for you, Miss Lydia. Miss Yao. Um, Similar with my questions with Miss Lydia. Does this word the tell us the most actual and the exact workplace of the person?
yes, sir. It's the tell us that.
Yes. Okay. With that your answer being your answer, what does this word tell us about the workplace of the person? Say, for example, the first sentence: the doctor works at St. Luke's Medical Center.
It's
Miss Yao.
say it says to the person works on the hospital since he is a doctor and he wear a uniform of the doctor. It tells us the person is working on St. Luke's Medical Centers and not just a random hospital.
Okay. So is it then similar with the first question with Miss Lydia? Is it in general or specific terms?
Specific, sir.
Okay, thank you. I've heard you. It's specific. So thank you for responding with my questions, everybody. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this sentence, these words. Okay. Let me just, can you, okay. Now, just from your memory, please fill in those words that I have removed from this table. We will begin with you, Miss Lydia. Please tell us your answer for the first sentence, which is he works at blank library. Miss Lydia.
My answer is sir.
Okay. How about for the second sentence? How about you, Miss Xiao? She works at blank office. What is your answer?
I think it's an
Yes, you are correct. It is Anne earlier as well. So for the third sentence, she works at blank school. Can you answer this one for me, Miss Lydia?
My answer is sir.
Yes, you are correct. It is as well in the first time I wrote it. So thank you for that. Now for the fourth one, the doctor works at blank St. Luke's Medical Center. Can you answer this one for me, Miss Yao?
I think it's the sir.
Yes, you are correct, Miss Yao. It is the. Just the same that I have put earlier. It's the. So the tour guide works at blank Colosseum. Can you answer this one for us, Miss Lydia?
Answer is the sir.
The. Well, so you said the. So it is the, just like I have wrote earlier. Now for the last one, Miss Yao, the pilot works at blank Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Please answer this one, Miss Yao.
I think it's the sir.
Okay, it is the as well. So you got it right, everyone. It's the same words that I have written earlier. A and the. Thank you for participating in this part of the discussion. So by this time, I will now be asking everyone or everybody to create similar sentences just like these ones that you have created using my sets of persons and workplaces. Now, for this time, I will be asking you to use your friends, family members, or someone you know and their workplace. You will construct the same sentences that that connects the person or describe the person with their corresponding workplace. I will call on names and write your answers on the slide or on your screen. Did you get that, everyone?
Yes, Paul.
Yes po,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, thank you for acknowledging. Now, let us begin with you, Miss Lydia. Please give us your example.
Okay po, sir. My mother works in a hostel.
My mother works in a hotel. Thank you, Miss Lydia. Now, how about you, Miss Yao? Can you give us your example?
Um, Professional Martins works at the Shanghai University.
Professor Martin.
Martins.
Okay, Martin works at the Shanghai University. University. Sorry for that. Is that correct, Miss Yao? Is that what you
Yes,
said?
Paul.
Okay. Now for you, Miss Lydia, can you give us another example?
Okay, sir. Mr. David works at the generics pharmacy.
Mr. David works at the generics. Did you say generics?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, so it's just correct. Generics pharmacy. Now for the last one, please give us your example, Miss Yao again.
My brother works at the factory.
My brother works at a factory. So thank you, Miss Yao and Miss Lydia, for giving us your examples using your friends or your family or probably someone you just know. So again, let us review your examples. My mother works in a hotel. Professor Martin works at the Shanghai University. Mr. David works at the generics pharmacy. My brother works at the factory. Did you get that, everyone? Have you heard those examples that you have given?
Yes, Paul.
Yes po, sir.
Okay. So before we formally end this meeting, let me just ask everybody if you have questions or clarifications regarding um, what we have done today. Do you have any?
No,
No, sir.
no, sir.
Okay, thank you. So if you do not have any more questions or clarifications regarding what we have done today in this meeting, I would take this moment to thank everyone for attending this meeting with me. Thank you, Miss Liza and Miss Yao, for participating with me, and I hope that you learned something today. Thank you and goodbye, my students.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
po.
Thank you, Paul, sir.
Okay.